Hello my dear children, happy morning. Hope you are all fit and fine. I am very happy to see you again. Once again I welcome you to Sheba Group of Schools online class. Let's move to our lesson children. Okay children, today I am going to take a subject EVS class 2 and the lesson name our environment and our book page number 75. What's our lesson name children? Our environment. Our environment na என்னமா நமது சுற்றுச்சூழல். Okay, our environment has different types of landforms and water bodies. In this lesson we have to learn about forests, plains, hills, rivers, seas, ponds and deserts. What we are going to learn about? Forest, plains, hills, rivers, seas, ponds and desert. First we have moved to forest. Okay children, now I am standing in the forest. We have to learn about the forest children. Are you able to see all the animals in the forest? Yes, we have to see one by one. First one is lion. It is the king of the jungle. Okay children, how it looks very bravely. And then we have to move to, yes, bear. Then we are going to see the elephant. Is the biggest land animal, isn't it? Yes. Then and its cough. Then we have moved to fox. And then now we can see the tiger. It is our national animal. Then we have to see the leopard. And on the tree one monkey is climbing on the tree, isn't it? Yes. Next we are going to see our tallest animal. Which is our tallest animal? Yes, giraffe is our tallest animal. Okay children, have you all seen all the animals? Yes. A forest has a large number of trees. The ground is covered with bushes and grass. Streams and ponds also found in the forest. It is a home of many animals, isn't it? We can see some animals. Okay, the home of animals. And also some birds also live in the forest like peacocks, doves, sparrow, parrot and woodpecker. You can hear the different sounds of animals. நம்ம காட்டில் இருந்தால் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Different types of animals ஓட sound என்ன பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்போம். Okay children, I like the forest. Children, do you like the forest? Yes, you also like the forest. It's a cool and green area. இது ஃபுல்லாக எப்படி இருக்குமா? கூலாக இருக்கும் ப்ளஸ் க்ரீனிஷாக இருக்கும். Okay, forest are useful to us in many ways. நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணுது? ஃபாரஸ்ட் நிறைய வேஸில் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. We get wood. நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? woodனா மரம். Then honey, தேன் and fruits. Okay, then rubber and many other things from forest. Children, have you all understood the forest children? Okay children, next we are going to see the river. Yes children, here the river water is flowing. River water எப்படிமா போகும்? It's a flowing, flow ஆயிட்டே போகும். Okay children, we use the river water in many ways. River water நம்ம நிறைய waysல யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். For cooking, drinking, etc. isn't it? Because of this, in olden days, people lived near rivers. நம்ம olden peoplesலாம் nearby the riverல தான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்கம்மா? வசிச்சுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Okay. Many kinds of fishes, crabs and birds live in around the river. Okay. ரிவருக்கு சுற்றி என்னென்னலாம் இருக்குது? நிறைய birds, animals. Here we can see the hippopotamus and then deer. Then what is this? It is a zebra. You can see some animals, isn't it? Nearby the river. Then sometimes boat races also held in the river. Riverல நிறைய டைம்ல என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? boat race கூட வைப்பாங்க. Okay children, have you all clear the rivers? Okay children, next we are going to see the sea. Sea in தமிழ் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம கடல், isn't it? கடல்ல நம்ம இப்போ இருக்கோம். You can see many fishes, isn't it? Yes. A sea is a large water body. Sea riverல பார்த்தா லைட்டாக தான் வாட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கும், ஓரளவுக்கு இருக்கும் வாட்டர். பட் சீல பார்த்தா இட்ஸ் அரவுண்ட் ஃபுல் ஏரியாவில் என்ன இருக்கும்? நிறைய large of water body. Sea water is How is the sea water? Yes, it is salty. We get salt from sea water, isn't it? Sea. சீலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோமா சால்ட் தயாரிக்கிறாங்க. தென் பிளான்ட்ஸ், ஃபிஷஸ், டர்ட்டில்ஸ், prawns, dolphins and crabs live in the sea. Okay, it's a home of some animals. What are the animals live in the sea? Yes, plants. Some plants also live in. Then fishes, turtles irukku. Then prawns, dolphins and crab also live in the sea. Okay, we go some peoples are go for fishing in the sea. Okay, fishing பண்ண போவாங்க. ஓகேவாமா, மீன் பிடிக்க போவாங்க. Isn't it? What boats you are using? Fishing boat. It's called கட்டமரான்ஸ். அதுக்கு பேர் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க? கட்டமரம். இன் தமிழில் கட்டுமரம் சொல்லுவாங்க. அண்ட் ஃபிஷ்ஷிங் நெட்ஸ். ஃபிஷ்ஷிங் நெட்ஸ்னா வலை. மீன் வலை இருந்தால் தானே மீன் பிடிக்க முடியும். Yes children, sea is a large water body. Are you clear children? Okay children, now we are going to know about plains. Now I am going to see the plain picture for you. Children, are you able to see the plain picture? Okay children, plains. Plains in Tamil we say samaveligal. Okay, we are all live in the plains. Isn't it? Plain is a flat land. We are live in the plains. A plain is a flat land. It is warmer than the hills. But in the plains எப்படி இருக்கும்? Just கொஞ்சம் warm-ஆ இருக்கும். லைட்டாக ஹாட்டாக இருக்கும். Plains are important for growing crops. It's only for the importance of growing crops. I show the pictures on the crops, isn't it? Yes. Without growing crops, how can we get our food? You can think it ma. நமக்கு plains-ல தான் growing crops பண்ணுறோம். crops இல்லைனா நம்ம எப்படிலாம் சாப்பிட முடியாது. crops means விவசாயம் பண்ணுறாங்க. growingனா அதை வளர்க்குறாங்க, isn't it? Farms get the water from the rain, river, lake, ponds and wells. The main source of growing crops is water is a main thing, isn't it? The main source of water is rain and also the rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. We get water from where the river, rain, lakes, ponds and wells. Okay, we can find some animals also in the plains. What are the animals? Yes, cow, goat, sheep, bullock, buffalo and many kinds of birds also there in the plains. Okay children, I like to hear the bird sounds. Do you like the bird sound children? Yes. Okay children, next we move to the hills. Have you all see the picture of hill? Yes. Okay children, hill na enna? It's called குன்றுகள். மலை. மவுண்டனை வந்து மலைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஹில்ஸ்னா இட்ஸ் லைக் எ மவுண்டைன் பட் இட்ஸ் அ ஸ்மாலர் இன் சைஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், எ ஹில் இஸ் லைக் எ மவுண்டைன் பட் நாட் ஸோ ஹை. பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்கும்? மவுண்டைன் மாதிரியே இருக்கும், பட் அது நல்லா ஹைட்டாக இருக்கும். இது கொஞ்சம் சின்னதாக இருக்கும். தென் ஹில்ஸ் ஆர் ஜென்ரலி க்ரீன் அண்ட் பியூட்டிஃபுல். பட் அந்த ஹில்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? பார்க்க க்ரீனிஷாகவும் ப்ளஸ் பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாகவும் இருக்கும். It is also much cooler than the plains. I already told you plains is a warmer place, isn't it? But the hill is yes, it's a coolest place. Okay children, people visit the hill station especially in the summer. Okay, we are going to the hill station in summer, isn't it? Yes children, in Tamil Nadu the hill stations are Ooty, Kodaikanal and Yerkad. Okay children. Okay children, look at this picture. This hill looks as if steps have been made on it. Okay, இந்த hill பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்குமா? Like a steps மாதிரியே இருக்கு, பாத்தீங்களா? Yes, crops are grown in the steps forms. இங்க எப்படி பண்றாங்க? Here also having a growing crops but is a steps forms. இது என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Step forms. Are also as terrace forms. அத இன்னொரு நேம் என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Terrace form. Tea and coffee are grown on some hills. Okay, இங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? Tea and coffee grown பண்றாங்க. This is called step forms. Okay children, next we go to move the pond, isn't it? Pond. Okay children, have you see the pond picture? Okay children, ponds in Tamil we say kulam or kuttai, isn't it? A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. Okay, pondல water எப்படிமா fill பண்ணிருக்கோம்? நம்ம அதில் ஊற்றி வச்சிருப்போமா? No. The water, rain water வரும்ல, அந்த pondsல என்ன பண்ணும்? ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலாக rain water filled ஆகிடும். Okay children, in pond some animals are lived. What are the animals? Fishes, insects, snakes, frogs, crabs and turtles live in the pond. Okay, live என்னென்னலாம் இருக்கு pondல? Yes, fishes இருக்கும். Then insects, some insects also live in the pond, and snake, frog, crabs and turtles. Then flowers like water lily and lotus are also found in the ponds. Pondல water lilyயும் plus lotusம் என்ன பண்ணுமா பூக்கும். Then a lake is a bigger than the pond. Pond lake வந்து பாண்டை விட பார்க்க கொஞ்சம் பெரிய water body. It's a pond is a small water body. Have you all cleared the pond, children? Okay, children, next we move to the point desert. Are you able to see the desert picture, children? Okay, children, deserts. Deserts na என்னமா பாலைவனம். A desert is a hot and sandy place. Desert எப்படி இருக்கும் ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருக்கும் because it's surrounded fully sandy place. Okay, there are hills of sand called sand dunes. Cactus plant grow in the desert since they need very little water. Okay, children, இங்க என்ன இருக்கும் நிறைய sand dunes பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம. Then the cactus வளரும். Okay, கள்ளி செடின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. It is also it's need very little water, so it's grow in the desert. Camels are used for traveling in the desert. The camel is called the ship of the desert. In traveling here we can use some vehicles, isn't it? In deserts we use the traveling for what? Yes, camel. Camel na என்னமா ஒட்டகம். ஒட்டகம் தான் என்ன பண்றோம் டெசர்ட்ல டிராவலிங்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். It is a ship of the desert. இதுக்கு ஒரு நேம் சொல்றாங்க சார், ship of the desert. Since we have very little water, we use it carefully, isn't it? அங்க என்ன பண்ணோம் ரொம்ப லிட்டில் வாட்டர் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ நம்ம அதை ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லாக வாட்டரை அங்கே சேவ் பண்ணணும். Okay, children, have you all cleared the deserts? Okay, children, have you all understood this lesson, our environment? In this lesson, what we are going to see? Yes, learn about forest, plains, hills, rivers, seas, ponds and desert. Okay, children, we are all take a pledge to care for the environment and the natural life around them. Okay, children? Okay, children, next we move to the book exercise. Everyone take your EVS book and book page number 84. Okay, children, our first Roman letter, match the following. What is our first Roman letter? Match the following. Now I am read the questions. Desert, plain, forest, pond. I read once again. Desert, plain, forest, pond. Now I am read the jumbled answers. Lion, camel, fish, cow. Okay, children, shall we match the correct answer? Okay, children, what is the first question? Desert. Which animal used in desert? I need your answer, children. Yes, desert. Which animal is used in desert? Yes, camel. Camel is used in the desert. Okay, children. Desert, camel. Then plain. Which animal used in the plain? Yes, yeah, correct. Cow. Plain, cow. Which animal used in the plain? Cow. Then forest. Which animal live in the forest? Yes, you are correct. Lion is the king of the forest. Lion, forest. Then which animal live in the pond? Yes, here only one answer is left. Is fish. Pond. Which animal live in the pond? Fish. Okay, children, now I am reading the question and answer. Desert, camel. Plain, cow. Forest, lion. And pond, fish. Have you all cleared the match the following, children? Hope you children, you are all understood this lesson, our environment, and also enjoyed the lesson. We will meet in the next class. Thank you. Take care.